This is our SMT operation over here. This right here is our latest SMT machine. It is from Micronic. It is the My 300 series, and it's been a real nice machine to be able to work with. You have the different reels, as you can see here, that are being able to load in and to be able to process on the machine. It also has the unique characteristic of being able to do electrical testing on the fly as you're placing the components. So a lot of these are what they call the smart feeder technology, and they have the barcodes where you can basically serialize between the actual reels and the actual feeder so that the machine knows exactly what manufacturer part number is in which location.